Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I just want to do a video on a 200,000 mile Prius and what has been changed out and 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 the history of things that has been changed out within 200 miles of driving a Prius. This is a 2010 Prius. It's got 203,000 miles. I'm gonna give you guys a list of things that I have had issues with and have changed out. All right, now I've only had this car since 180,000 miles, but I'm just gonna assume that all the parts that I'm changing out were original to the Prius. All right, I'm just gonna go down the list. Suspension. It's particularly the front suspension, but I'm assuming that all the suspensions were having issues. All right, so I changed out all the struts, the shocks, the front and the back. The sway bar links, I changed out the brakes. All right, so the suspensions which are changed out. The water pump, the battery, the original battery, 12-volt battery, the original 12-volt battery, the water pump, coolant sensor, coolant temperature sensor, thermostat, air filter, and now the hybrid battery has issues, so that's probably going to be changed out. All right, so that's pretty much outside of like changing out the engine oil, outside of changing out the tires, outside of changing out the coolant. The coolant I only changed out because I had to change out the water pump. But windshield wipers, to be honest with you, outside of that, from my own experience owning this car for the last 30,000 miles, 20,000 miles, that's pretty much, you know, I'm going to assume that all that stuff that I changed out was original to the engine, to the car. And as you guys can see, it's a little bit early in the morning and I'm not really into doing this video right now, but if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.